Imagine rolling on a burst of sunshine with every swipe and roll as the uplifting scent of tangerine envelops you. So let's create your very own essential oil roll-on that will soothe your senses and bring a smile to your face. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to make products from natural ingredients that you can use every day in your home. In this video, you'll learn how to make an essential oil roll-on that combines the calming essence of palmarosa with the uplifting notes of tangerine. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's October 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box. It gives you everything you need to make an essential oil roll-on that you can feel good about. In our increasingly well-conscious world, many consumers unfortunately are misled by the marketing of commercial roll-ons, personal care products that promise emotional support and relaxation. Unfortunately, these items frequently contain synthetic additives, artificial fragrance, and low quality ingredients. It can lead to skin irritation and diminished effectiveness. Who wants that? So by choosing homemade alternatives like our Tangerine Dream Roll-On, you can bypass these harmful ingredients and embrace a product crafted with care that ensures it truly nurtures one's mind and spirit. So get ready to indulge all your senses in a delightful fusion of aromatherapy with this next creation. So turn off all your distractions because making is healing. So let's get started and let's make this Tangerine Dream Roll-On right now. First step, remove the roller ball. Look how easy that was with the Simply Earth tool. You can buy this online. It's not required, but look how simple that was. 3 drops of tangerine, 3 drops of palmarosa. Fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil from your big bonus box. Key step, put the roller ball back on. Rookie mistake, you will only make once when you spill oil down your back or on your wrists. Swirl, so don't forget to label it. So let's test it out. Tangerine. I love how this roll-on smells naturally amazing. And I made it, so can you. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of your everyday life. Yes you can make this too. You saw how simple it was. Get your October 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box from Simply Earth now and experience the joy of creating essential oil roll-ons that you can feel good about. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a picture of your creation, tag from Simply Earth, and add hashtag I made this because I want to see it. You'll automatically be entered into our hashtag I made this challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Like and follow for more natural recipes like this one. Thank you for watching.